Hello friends, welcome at SK CAD/CAM Solutions. Friends, today we are going to learn the rest milling toolpath for the blow mold cavity. In the last session we have seen that how to set the model, orient the model, how to select the roughing toolpath strategy, and how to create a roughing toolpath and simulation. Today we will learn how to use rest milling strategy. It is the first toolpath for the roughing. The 16 cutter we have used. In this session today we will see how to remove the material from the small area, because as we have seen the smallest radius is in the model is 5.15, and here is the 7.6 So 16 cutter cannot go up to the depth. First I have to make some boundaries to run the rest milling toolpath in cavity. Existing boundary also we can use for this model. We have the boundaries. Next we will make the rest roughing operation. Let us start. Go to the toolpath, select the area roughing, select the area, select the toolpath control boundaries. These boundaries will control the toolpath machining area. If you keep inside, it will machining inside the boundary. If you center, it will machine the center area. Here you can keep the limitation to reach the tool. Now I am going to use 10 cutter, so 11 is the restriction area I have mentioned. Right click, create a tool, 10 R will be 0.8 finish. Parameter I am going to write down directly here. The parameter will be 2800 rpm, feed rate will be 1200, and the plunge will be 400. Now for rest milling I will use the stock options. Stock operation, I have to on the rest material and select the one other operation, and I have to select this first roughing toolpath here. Next in cut parameter I have to mention depth of cut. Step 4 will be 60% maximum. Here I have to mention the depth, how much deep machining should go. I will mention it here. Okay, program is being generated. The rest roughing program will take some time as it is checking the area where it has to machining. You can see the toolpath is generated, the rest roughing toolpath is ready. We can increase depth up to here. The depth is 37 I will write down 38 round figure. Once again I am regenerating the program. You can see The rest roughing program is ready. The blue color are the cutting moves and the red and green color are the lead in out moves. Very nice program is generated here. We can see now it is in simulation. Make sure that we have checked the collision option on, so that it will show you the collision, and color loop must be on. Let us play the toolpath. It is first tool, diameter 16 mm. A roughing operation is going on here. In the next tool, the rest roughing operation, we will check how it is removing the material in corner area left by diameter 16 mm. Here is the collision found, and software indicate that the collision. The tool has machined the hole, and it is coming when back and shifting to the another hole. It's found the collision, you can see. It is not a problem of Mastercam. As for the demonstration, we are using the demo version. It has some limited capabilities, so that it is shows the collision. Anyhow, we can avoid that. Let us back to the parameter. In the toolpath, it is not showing any collision, but practically it is colliding. Here in the transition linking parameter, we will mention it's the full vertical retract. Then there will be no chances of collision. If you buy a full version of Mastercam, then you can override this problem. But it is lifting so many times, so better we increase shear to avoid the collision problem. Toolpath, when it shows the green, it means that it is being generated. Once it is generated, it is converted in the folder option. Select both the toolpath, go to simulations, and the first track I have forwarded the play. Now you can see, as I lift the tool in the linking parameter, it is not showing any collision here, and the rest material is being removed by the diameter 10 mm tool. Both the holes are also being machined. The simulation is done, and there is a no collision now. You can see in the collision report here, the right hand side of the pen. If you have any comments, doubts, you can write in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to get the more videos like that. Thanks for watching.